Four Queens. This is a real tight casino. When it's busy in here, it's, oh man, it's claustrophobic. That's a nice bar up there. That's whenever famous people come to Las Vegas, they'll have a drink in there, or they'll eat at Hugo's Cellar down here. Down in that cellar there, I think it's a steakhouse. Magnolia's, Hugo's. Oh, it's seafood and steak. Yeah, when NASCAR comes, some of the NASCAR drivers will eat here. I remember somebody was talking about Dale Earnhardt Jr. was in here one year. And they got a fishing machine back here. See this one, it's got a Hawaiian fishing. Oh, that's the one. That's the same one they've got at Treasure Island. They got these old machines mixed right in with all the modern ones. Video poker, keno. It's a beautiful slot machine. Flintstones. I don't remember seeing Flintstones anywhere else. Big rock. I like that. Goonies. Can't remember what I've seen and what I hadn't seen, but I don't think I've seen Goonies. I don't recognize that pirate ship. There's a shoot to win. Let's see what the minimum is. What's the minimum?
$1.
Dollar. Okay. Yeah. It is $1. Wow. Nice. $1. Okay. So it is right next to the experience. So right when you go in that door, there's two doors to get in this place. We went in the other door, but it's right next to the door that's closest to is that Ogden? Well, anyway, it's the left door when you're facing the building. $1, shoot to win. And then there's the sports book. 100 hand. Wow. I think I've got my hands full with one hand. I don't need 100. All right, that was 4 Queens. Now, 4 Queens has a good room, bigger than Golden Gate, and sometimes you can get one of the ones that are got the window right here. Get your own beer and sit by the window and watch people, and watch the zip line and all kind of things, if you get the right room. And the rooms are decent. They're certainly not big, but they're not as small as the Golden Gate. And the price is always right at the 4 Queens for the room.